Recently, Argonne National Laboratory was awarded $25 million to create the Community Research on Climate and Urban Science, or CROCUS for short, which will make the city of Chicago a pioneering laboratory.
The money will be used for two broad elements, both simulating the city of Chicago, putting it into a computer to look at how it interacts with the weather and the different outcomes you get with the weather and climate, and two, instrumenting the city, getting new observations right down in the canyons, streets and rooftops of Chicago so it can look at how weather and climate turns into impacts.
CROCUS will also aid in addressing environmental injustice right in Chicago.
Rain doesn't stay where it falls. It moves, water moves, and the houses that tend to get flooded are the houses that are in poorer neighborhoods. Why are they in poorer neighborhoods? Because they're the houses that tend to get flooded. We have this terrible feedback cycle in our engineered systems. And one thing we really want to study in CROCUS is how nature-based solutions like green infrastructure can ameliorate the worst environmental injustices of climate change. So one of the aims of CROCUS is not just to say trees are good and plants are good, but how good? What plants, what trees, and what difference do they make?
All community members might have something to contribute to this project.
You know, one of the things I always say about climate change, and when people get upset about climate change and wonder what a difference they can make, research and understand your own carbon footprint. That is one of the best things you can do, is understand the impact you're having on the planet. The ultimate end goal is to create a better understanding of Chicago, to equip communities with the data they need to make wise choices to be resilient to the worst impacts of climate change.
For The Main, this is Ania Presian.